Welcome back to Charisco Crypto. Welcome. Let's discuss. Let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. Let's see what is happening in the world of crypto, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. As you guys can see, so Bitcoin just set a new record once again. Every single day now, Bitcoin is setting a new record. So Bitcoin is hit another new all-time high once again today. So guys, let's discuss. Let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. Let's see what is happening in the world of crypto. So let's discuss everything else that is happening in the crypto market. Yeah, the market is at least Bitcoin is slightly consolidating. So slightly down from the recent all-time high, which is about above $123,000. But now it's consolidating. You know, the U.S. Senate, so banking committee, so they just called at least for a clear regulatory, at least to make sure that, America become the crypto capital of the world. You guys are welcome. Let's discuss. Guys, a lot of good things happening in the crypto space. The U.S. Senate Banking Committee, they just call for a clarity of the regulatory in the crypto framework to make sure that America become the crypto capital of the world. So not just that, the pop fund token will be live next few minutes from now, let's say between the next 30 minutes, pop fund token will be tradable. So you guys know, a few days ago, I was opportunity to buy at least $1,000 plus, but they will be launching it, it will be live in the next few minutes. Then we will be able to trade it together. So you guys will let me know on the chat. So if you guys already buy, so if you guys was already opportunity to buy the pre-sale few days ago, so that means it will be tradable and you'll be able to transfer it from exchange to every other exchange. Most of the altcoins are looking bullish. Guys, a lot of good things happening in the crypto space. So most of the altcoins looking bullish. SRP we have a new reset high once again, trading above $3. So slightly consolidated as of now, as you guys can see. Solana was almost back up to $117. So most of the altcoin looking bullish despite the inflation that is happening around the world, despite the tariff war that is happening around the world, but Bitcoin still holding strong. You guys did not buy Abby. Okay, you guys wish me good luck. So maybe we'll be able to turn our $1,000 to $5,000 this live stream. So stay tuned. You guys know that I will be doing a giveaway, so you guys always tune in this the next few days if we make a good amount of money today. So that's because before the end of the stream, so the token will be live. So we'll have to be seeing how much we'll be able to swap our token to. So guys, a lot of good things happening in this crypto space. So let's discuss. So Bitcoin, just hit a new all-time high. You guys already know that. So which is amazing. So more companies adding Bitcoin to their reserve. So which is good. So now I know the question is that a lot of people now asking is that, so how high can we go? So how high can Bitcoin price go? So which we'll be looking into that as of now. We'll be looking into that now. So Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high today. Yesterday is Sunday. I live streamed yesterday, which I was telling you guys that, so even if on Sunday we having so much volume like that, on Monday, that means, we'll be having a good volume, which I think Bitcoin will be breaking a new all-time high. I will be trading above $20,000. Boom. You guys can see my source is 100% right, guys. So today Bitcoin is trading above, Bitcoin head up to $23,000. It break up above $23,000. Guys, I can see the chat booming, man. So you guys are welcome. Let's discuss. So pop phone will be live in the next less than 30 minutes. So it will be live here. The token will be live. So let's see what we'll be making. So not just that, Michael Saylor strategy. I showed you guys yesterday that a strategy will be buying more Bitcoin today. Guess what? They added almost about $500 million worth of Bitcoin today, which take them. They are now sitting with unrealized profits of about $31 billion for unrealized profits. That is huge. So we show that, they are sitting with a huge amount of profit. Robert Kiyosaki, he said, if you are not holding Bitcoin right now, that means you are missing opportunity. So because one of the best assets to hold a day like today is Bitcoin. Yeah, guys, make sure smash the like, make sure your notification bell is on. So Bitcoin is consolidating, still sitting between $120,000. You guys can see on the screen, 119,800. So which is huge. So guys, let's dive into the market. Let's see what is happening in the crypto space. So first, let's see most of the altcoins, they are looking good, as you guys can see. So most of them are up double digits. Bitcoin is up 10% in the past 7 days. So Ethereum trading above $3,000. So 90%, almost 20% just between 7 days. Yeah, unrealized PNL, you are 100% right. Favor, unrealized PNL, so you are 100% right. So which is huge. Unrealized PNL. So unrealized profit, so which they are sitting on. As you guys can see, most of the altcoins are doing good. But, the Wall Street sound alarm on the Europe economy over the renewed U.S. Tariff. The tariff keep happening around the world, keep going crazy. President Trump keep imposing tariff in different countries. But there's no tariff in Bitcoin, which is why if you are holding Bitcoin today, there's no tariff in Bitcoin. You can't impose tariff in Bitcoin, So there's no tariff in Bitcoin, which is why Michael Saylor said he will keep buying the top forever, which is why he keep buying and buying and buying. He keep accumulating. Guys, stay tuned. So there's a lot of, good headline. And let's look at what Pop Fund token. So what it will be trading on, because I think the evaluation, it will be starting from about Pop Fund token will be starting from at least the evaluation will be about 4 billion. It's a new token which will be launching the next because let me see the chart. You are laughing at me. So Pop Fund will be launching their token in the next less than 30 minutes. We'll be looking into that. So guys, this is from CNBC. Bitcoin surpassed $120,000, a record high. So of a U.S. lawmakers crypto week. Forget this is this week is the U.S. Lawmakers crypto week. So this is a U.S. cryptos week as well. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is above 120, hit a new all-time high. $120,000. So this was just about a few hours ago, but you guys can see now Bitcoin head up to $120,000, $120,500. So yeah, guys, you are welcome. So we stay course here, as you guys can see. So Bitcoin flipping Amazon. So 2.3 trillion market cap. Yeah, guys, this is true. A few days ago, I was showing you guys that Bitcoin will be kicking off Amazon, and Bitcoin will be the 5th largest global asset. But today, guess what? Yeah, that is where we are. So Bitcoin is now the 5th largest asset. So kick off Amazon, now become the 5th global asset. So this is huge. And guess what? Where we'll be kicking next, as you guys can see here. So we'll be kicking off Apple next. So this is where we are going. We'll be the first largest asset next, which Bitcoin will be trading $1 million per coin. Yeah, for sure, favor. VTC flipping all that assets very soon. I believe that you're 100% right, as you guys can see. We will be topping gold. We'll be kicking off gold next. So Bitcoin will be sitting between a 22 trillion market cap. So which I don't think it will happen this cycle. Next cycle, yeah, possible next cycle. So guys, as you guys can see, Bitcoin keep setting a new record every single day over the past few days. So Bitcoin has become one of the best performing assets over the next few years. So just as 6 months in the past 6 months, so Bitcoin has created about 30,000 millionaires in just in the past 6 months. So it has created more millionaires. That is because 2011 Bitcoin was still trading below $8. And guys, if you want to invest in Bitcoin and crypto, you are in the right place. We will be starting our DCA portfolio in the next few months. So which it will be an open portfolio. When I'll be buying, you guys will be see what I'll be buying. It's very, very important. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, your notification bell is on. And, you guys will be see what I will be buying. It's not a financial advice. So one of the way to accumulate Bitcoin is DCA, dollar cost average, and hold for a long term. So guys, I still want to use this opportunity to tell you guys that, if you're not using, if you want to sign up with Exchange, so there is a link to sign up with BYBIT in the description. So BYBIT, using their card alone, I was checking just about, which I will be showing you guys. Even if now I have about 20-something thousand points, so that is because each of your spending, they give you about a cashback of about 2%. So if I spend $1,000, I will be getting 2% cashback. Just like about a few hours ago, I have something to buy. I deposited $1,000. I get 2% cash back. So with you guys, I will be showing you guys during Q&A. But if I forgot, you guys should remember me. I'll be showing you guys, during the Q&A. I deposit. I now have about $80 cash back just in the past few weeks. Just in the past few weeks spending, which I can convert it to Euro or USDT, any currency. I can convert it to crypto as well. So which is why I believe that, signing up with BYBIT is huge as well. So guys, Michael Saylor strategy just added what? They just added another 4,225 Bitcoin, bringing their total Bitcoin holding now above 601,550 Bitcoin. So it's now above, their Bitcoin holding is now above 600,000. So as of today, strategy are now holding 601,550 Bitcoin. So this is huge. You guys can see it here. This is a tweet from Michael Saylor, which is the CEO of Strategy. So Strategy has acquired 4,225 Bitcoin for how much? Which is $472.5 million. So this is huge. MicroStrategy, as of today, they have spent how much to buy Bitcoin? They have spent $42.8 billion to acquire Bitcoin over the past few years since 2020. What have they been doing? DCA, dollar cost average. Buy as much as you can. You have $2, you add to your portfolio. You have $3, you add to your portfolio. That is how MicroStrategy gets here. Guess what? You need to see this. Saylor today, as Bitcoin crossed above $22,000, they are now sitting with $31 billion in profit. MicroStrategy are now sitting with $31 billion in profit. They did not just, they start buying Bitcoin just when? They start buying Bitcoin just 2020. But today they are sitting with $31 billion in profit. So which is huge. Yeah, favor. Michael Saylor, even when nobody believe in Bitcoin, I was still here, which is 2022, when Bitcoin was down. Everybody said Bitcoin is going to zero. But Michael Saylor, the CEO of Strategy, he said even if Bitcoin goes to $1, he will be buying all the Bitcoin. That is because, he believes so much in Bitcoin. He knows that Bitcoin will never go to zero. Same as me, I believe so. We always have up and down. But Bitcoin will never go to zero, guys. For sure, Bitcoin will never go to zero. Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay, which is why Bitcoin, now becoming the mainstream asset every single day. Bitcoin keeps skyrocketing. So Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high every single day. Few days ago, when Bitcoin was still trading $110,000, if they tell you today Bitcoin will trade up above $123,000, will you believe that? No. So this year is one of the best strategy. Buying when you have some cash on your side is very, very important. So which take us here, guys? Let's see this. As you guys can see, Satoshi, which is the founder of Bitcoin, which is nowhere to be found today, because his wallet is holding between a million Bitcoin. So Satoshi, just 4 days ago, which was 11th of June, 11th of July, 11th of July, 4 days ago, I showed you guys the data. Satoshi was the 12th richest man in the world. So today, as you guys can see here, so Satoshi is now the 10th richest man. So just because Bitcoin keeps skyrocketing, it's now the 10th richest man today. So you guys can, let's see it here. You can see it here. Satoshi Nakamoto currently holding above 130 billion Bitcoin. So this was about a few hours ago when Bitcoin was still trading slightly low. But you guys can see here. So now this was just about a few hours ago when he was about, 11th richest man. Now he just crossed to 10th richest man. Because Bitcoin keeps skyrocketing every single minute, every single moment. So guys, don't sleep on Bitcoin, don't sleep in crypto. Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. Bitcoin keeps skyrocketing, which is why every single day, it's not a financial advice. I keep telling you guys, this year is the best strategy. You must not, you must not buy all the Bitcoin. But when you are investing, always know that, Bitcoin is already way too high. And when you are buying now, still remember that, we always have up and down. A lot of people are bullish right now because if you are on BYBIT, let me see. You guys can see here. I'm showing you my BYBIT. This is a BYBIT overview. You can see the fear and greediness. So this is from BYBIT S-Chain. The greed is between about 74%, which show that a lot of people are big greedy once again. And forget when the market is slightly down, the sentiment will dip down to like the sentiment will be easily to dip down to like 10%. That sounds crazy, but that is how it is. But one thing you will see is that, guys, let me quickly show you guys this. This is BYBIT Ascent. Let me see, as you guys can see. As I was saying, few minutes ago, I deposited like $1,000. Few hours ago, not minutes. So because I have something to buy, so I have to use my BYBIT card. Let me see if you guys can see it. You guys can see here, $1,000. So from the right hand, deposited $1,000 to buy something. Look here. So the cashback, I want to show you guys how the BYBIT card works before we move further. So the funding, so you guys can see here, the funding, let's quickly look at the card spending power. So this is the card spending power. You guys know I'm on live. So you guys can see here, this is 26,650 something points. So just in the past few days for my spending, so a cashback of with about 2%. So when you are using the BYBIT card, you can apply for it. They will deliver it to you every part of the world. This is huge. It's about $80 for cash bank. But when you are using the banks they will debit you. But when you are using this BYBIT card or every other some, now you can't use the Binance card, debit card in Europe. So that is because the government have issue with Binance. But now you can also you can use the BYBIT debit card in Europe, but you can't use this thing here. So you can easily convert your points either for iPod. When you wait for a long time, you can even convert to your own, to limit for iPhone. You can also convert your own to a smartphone like Ample iPhone. Each time we have a new iPhone like iPhone 16. Now you can when you have a good point, you can convert yours to iPhone. Get iPhone from here. So it's easily. So make sure you sign up with the link in my description for you to get a good bonus as you sign up with BYBIT. It's very, very important. So you can get up to $1,000 when you use my link in the description below. So you can get up to $1,000. So guys, so Satoshi is now the 10th richest man on this planet. That's because holding Bitcoin for a long time is the best strategy. Which they cost here. I keep telling you guys and I keep showing you guys every single day. Yeah, guys, if you have any question, drop your question on the chat. We'll be doing Q&A shortly. You guys know that. So in the next, let's see, in the next 15 minutes, this thing will be live. This one will be live, which is a pop fun toolkit will be live. So I want to be the first to flip my own $1,000 to, at least to good cash. So you guys stay with me. So let's see what will be happening next. So guys, as you guys can see, Quascar startup, so they just plan to invest at least, in state reserve. Don't forget the US already created, strategic reserve. So more countries are creating a Bitcoin strategic reserve. So you can sleep on Bitcoin every single day. More people are embracing Bitcoin because, few years ago, people do not know how it works. They don't know about Bitcoin. They don't believe in Bitcoin, which is why even if President Trump 6 years ago, President Trump said that he's not a fan of Bitcoin. He did not believe in Bitcoin and crypto. He did not believe in Bitcoin. Even if as of now, he now owns his own cryptocurrency, which is a meme coin called Trump coin. So he is now the first president, at least in US, to also create a, US strategic reserve. And the same US, they are now the country saying that they want to become. I'll be showing you guys shortly. They said they want to become, to create a U.S. Strategic reserve. That is huge. The president of the United States, they said that they want to become at least the first crypto capital of the world. So I'm not just saying it. I have an headline that covers it, which I'll be showing you guys shortly. Meta Planet as well, even if Bitcoin is up today, but Meta Planet, they decide to still add more Bitcoin. So Meta Planet bought another 797 Bitcoin. So for how much? What about, $93.6 million, bringing their total Bitcoin holding to 16,532 Bitcoin. As of today, Meta Planet is now holding 16,532 Bitcoin. I remember a few months ago when Meta Planet started buying Bitcoin using DCA, dollar cost average. But today, Meta Planets are now holding more than $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. This is almost a $1.5 billion Bitcoin. So they are now kicking almost about $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. Yeah, guys, keep, let's discuss. They're in the right place. Let's see what is happening in the crypto, in the world of crypto, in the crazy world of crypto, guys. So, guys, as you guys can see here, this is Robert Kiyosaki. So, the author of Rich Dad and Poor Dad. So, Robert Kiyosaki is saying that, he's warning that, if you are not buying Bitcoin today, that means you are missing the opportunity. So, the headline says that, so who don't invest in Bitcoin? Opportunity missed here. So, Robert Kiyosaki said that, if you are not holding Bitcoin today, you are not investing in Bitcoin. So you are not in the crypto space. That means, you are missing a huge opportunity. Those are smart people who invest in gold and silver early in the days. But today they are telling you that, Bitcoin is the best performing asset and you need to be in the crypto space. I always tell you guys, we always have up and down. That's because I still believe Bitcoin will still dip below $100,000 again. Will it happen tomorrow? No. But we happen again, yes. So, but don't be scared each time the market dip down. Each time the market dip down, take it as an opportunity to accumulate more Bitcoin. A day like this, when Bitcoin is up, you take profit. Taking profit is the best strategy a day like today. Taking profit is very, very important. So let's see this. Germany government, I was showing you guys a few days ago. Germany government sold their Bitcoin holding when Bitcoin was trading between 57,000. In the next 10 minutes, so platform token will be live. So I set alarm, man. So let's see. So guys, Germany's government sold their Bitcoin when Bitcoin was trading between, selling their Bitcoin when Bitcoin was trading between 57,000. But if they were still holding their Bitcoin, a day like today, they will be having additional $3 billion in profit. Additional $3 billion in profit, which is why, holding for a long term is the best strategy. Why will you be selling? Why will the government decide to sell their Bitcoin? That is because they did not believe in Bitcoin. But don't be surprised in the next 4 years, which it will be the next cycle, Germany government will be buying, at least decide to buy Bitcoin once again, just like as the US will be buying more Bitcoin. So Michael Saylor, the CEO of strategy, we just added more Bitcoin today. Saylor is saying that Bitcoin is going up forever. This is to show you how more Saylor believe in Bitcoin. Saylor believes so much in Bitcoin. So the extent he said it's going up forever. No, but I don't believe that. So Bitcoin is not going up forever. It always has up and down. I have to remind you that for sure. We will always have up and down. But upper side, yeah, will be going up for sure. Will be going up. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay, guys. So don't sleep on Bitcoin, don't sleep in the crypto. So I need to show you guys this, guys. So where is the headline? I need to show you guys this. This is let me bring out this. This is the US Senate. You guys need to see this. So you guys need to see this, guys. Let me bring this to the attention. This is what I was showing you, telling you guys just now. The US Senate, the banking committee, they just call at least to create a clear regulation, a clear regulation framework to make sure that America become the crypto capital of the world. So as you guys can see on my thumbnail, so this is Senator Sicha Loomis is here. They said they want to make sure that America become the crypto capital of the world. You guys need to hear it from them. So I'm not just the one saying it. You guys need to see it. The USNA trying to make sure that so America become the crypto capital of the world. So let's hear from them. I hope you guys can hear them. I hope you guys can hear them. You guys can. Let me try to increase the volume. Let me see the chart. We can't hear. It's just because the volume is low. Let me see. Let me bring out the volume, guys. Okay. So, guys, in the next 5 minutes, this thing will be live. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me try to bring out the volume this way. Let me see the audio.
Chairman, for holding this hearing and for indulging us in finally addressing the topic of digital access. When I arrived here 4.5 years ago, Chairman, for holding there was very little knowledge of digital access. And to the extent that there was, there's because if there's something about what's very little, and some people still don't know very little. Then the industry has innovated and grown and become a force in our economy. And in fact, in the global economy, we now see one digital asset company not only make an appearance on the S&P 500, but come into the S&P 500 in about the tactic global decision and come big. And the biggest argument is this is simple.
So, guys, what maybe because the volume is slightly low for sure, But what Senator City Alum is trying to say is that the volume is slightly low. It's slightly down, not from me, but it's from them. So what Senator City Alum is saying is that he said that they are trying to at least to make sure that they should create a clear regulatory framework to ensure that the America become the crypto capital of the world. So that is what Senator Sicha Loomis is trying to explain them. So you guys let me know if you guys hear them at the last the last headline. So because I don't know if you guys can hear them clear, because I was hearing it clear from here following my this thing, my headphone. But I don't know if you guys can hear them clear. So guys, let's see. Top fun. Tuki should be live in the next 3 minutes. So as you guys can see, I showed you guys this chart. I showed you guys this chart few days ago. This is you guys can see here. This chart here show that Bitcoin in exchange. This is Bitcoin exchange reserve. It showed that there's not much Bitcoin out there, and the Wall Street, they keep buying and withdrawing their Bitcoin from centralized exchange to decentralized exchange. So this is huge. There's not much Bitcoin out there. If you think that there's much Bitcoin out there, no. Think again. There's not much Bitcoin out there. Let me off my camera so you guys can see, because to show you guys how the exchange reserve keep dropping down, which show there's no much Bitcoin out there. So you guys can see the exchange reserve keep dropping down. There's not much Bitcoin out there. But imagine when the exchange reserve hits zero. There's no much Bitcoin. Imagine one day there's not much Bitcoin in exchange. So the Wall Street want to buy, they can't buy Bitcoin. So they will be using the only OTC, calling people, oh, I need a Bitcoin. They call Coinbase. Coinbase say, no, I don't have much Bitcoin for you. So that is when Bitcoin will skyrocket to the roof. So guys, we are still early in the crypto space. Don't sleep on Bitcoin. Don't sleep in the crypto space. So this thing is up once again. Bitcoin is above $120,000 once again. Let's see. Let's go here. I want to check out. Let's get this done. I want to check out this token launch. This pop fund token. So guys, stay with me. Let's see. Because pop fund, they will be launching their token now. I now have 1,800. Boom, it's already off. Guys, we are up with about $600, man. Imagine if I bought $10,000 worth of this token the other day. Guys, we are up, man. You guys need to see this, man. We are up. Guys, we are up. We are up. We are up. You guys need to see this. Pump for token, 1,700. We are now up with 10 Solana, man. That's huge, man. Guys, you guys can see this. Let's take our initial investments out. So, we spent how much the other day? Okay. It's already down just now. What should we do? Let's say 50%. Yeah, selling 50% of it. That is how it works. Sell 50%, $821. So let's wait for the other 50% because people are selling. Our initial investment is taking out. You guys can see. So that means make about $400 return. Let's say, for example, the other time, if we will have, it's already down to 18%. I did not, just like I did not look it earlier. So, we'll just discuss. You guys can see, man. Let's take out another $400. What do you guys think? You guys should let me know. $1,830. Okay. Pump for token. It's like it coming up again. So guys, I should be selling another. It's not that bad, but let me. If it's slightly up, I have to sell another $400 worth of the token. So our initial investment now is slightly going down. More people trading. You guys should let me know on the chat, guys. If you guys are trading it, let me know on the chat, man. You thought it would be higher than Trump, Abby? They just launched it, man. Let's look at the market cap on CM. Let's go to this thing and see. Let's see here what is happening here. Let's see on their screener. Popcorn will be one of the top. At least I think it will be one of the top one on their screener. Yeah. No, it's sitting with 1 billion market cap now. Should be evaluating for 4 billion market cap. It's sitting with, let's see. Let me copy the contract address. Let's see. Let it be that we are on the right, we are holding the right token. Let me copy the, let me see. Uh, let's see the pop. So, okay. Let's copy the contract address. It's dropping down. But it was up to 10 Solana just now, Nabi. Okay, it's because I took profit. So I want to see if we are having, let's see on their screener. Let's look at this. You check it out on their screener. You guys can see it here. It's down 15%. But I think it should be higher than this because they should be evaluating it from 4 billion market cap. But as of now, it's holding a market cap of $1 billion. How does that work? How does that possible? Okay. Oh, they already said they sold early. A lot of people already sold. You guys can see. The way I'm living, yeah, you are 100% right. You're 100% right, Raven. The way I'm living, I'm taking a profit to Solana. Let me sell to Solana. So, guys, I will be doing a giveaway for you guys in the next few days because I'll be so much busy these days. But now the weekend, you guys who always tune in, so I will be sending a USDT or USDT or Solana. You guys should let me know. Either we will be doing a pool. If you guys prefer NFT or USDT. So the way I'm living there, yeah, you are 100%. Rather, that is what is happening. The way are selling. The way are selling. It's already down so much. Let's say if I was, that means, when we was, it happened to be that, when we was discussing just now, it happened to be that they already launched the token. At least I will be able to sell here. You guys did not even let me know that, the token is already live. At least we'll be able to take profit early. Maybe when it was, at least we'll be able to hold the $2,000. But nevertheless, we still hold a profit of, let me check my portfolio. I don't know, you guys, you can't show there. I don't know, you guys can't see the portfolio wallet here. So if I decide to take more profit, at least I get to Solana in return, so which is not bad. Solana will be up by now because a lot of people may be taking profit into Solana. Let's see. Solana should have been up by now because some people will be selling their token into Sol. Let's look at the chart once again. Look horrible. Look at the 1 hour chart. The chart look bad. So guys, should I sell or you guys should let me know? Should I sell or I should go out from the market totally go out from the market, the token? You guys should let me know. It's like keep going down. No. Let's see the popcorn token. It's like it coming back up slightly again. Where should I set to? USDC or USDT? I'm thinking. We still hold on to. Whoa. No, it's like it dropped back up, or what is happening? Guys, I don't know what is happening. Okay. The network is saying that, No, it's like their network working. Uh-uh. I don't, it did not go through. Wait, it sounds crazy, but okay. I have 154,000 to kill left. But what is showing in my wallet is totally different from what is showing here. Because here it's telling me that in my wallet it's telling me that I still hold $800 worth of token after swapping $500 out. But let's look. Why is the why is the price? Let's see if we can swap this $800. Oh yeah, $850. He said if sufficient, we hold zero now. Let's look at our portfolio. Portfolio holding. Let's see, guys. Okay, 1,800 or something. You guys can see a profit of about. I spent 1,300 $1,330 something dollars. Please, okay, that's how much. Let's see. 3 days investment, Abby. It was $1,234 minus $1,879. No, this is the total portfolio. It's not up to like that because I was holding one Solana a few hours ago. 1,000. Guys, I don't even remember how much I spent the other day. Let me go and check. I have to go and check, to know how much is the real profit. 1,000 minus, let's say, I'll do the calculation later. So, guys, you guys are amazing, man. You guys can see. So, Pop 4 token is live, but the token is down so much. Okay, it's coming back up. It's coming back up again. Guys, you guys can see it's popping back up. It's recovering. Let's look at the top traders, man. It's recovering again, top traders. You see, they sold $1 million. They sold another $893,000. This is the insiders. They also sold another $912,000. Guys, they were selling a huge amount of it, man. Let's look at snipers, people who snipe the token. Even if the snipers did not make money, but this person make how much? He did not buy. He sold $7,000. Those are insiders. This person bought, snipers did not make money. Even if the snipers of the token did not make money, they don't make money because there is a fair launch, so the snipers did not make money. Selling, I myself, I do make money. I do make money from it. You can see now. So we do make money, but it's up, it's down. But even when I was live streaming, when we was discussing just now, I didn't know that they already launched the token. So now let's say if I go and short now, let's say if I connect with hype liquidity now and short the market, I think it's a good time to short it. What do you guys think? Let's say shorting it with $1,000. It will be a good, let's see, let me look at the chart or it was again. Let's see. I think shorting this token, no, it's ready to come back up, guys. It's coming back up high. You guys can see. Selic, even if you short it now, you can see it's coming back up. It's coming back up strong. It's sitting with another $1.70 billion again. I don't think you guys have seen it. It's sitting strong once again, man. Liquidity 50% lot. Yeah, 50. Let's look at the liquidity. The 50% has already been burned. 57% is totally locked. So 57% of the liquid is coming back up strong. Instead of shut up. In the past 5 minutes, since we sold our own, it's already coming back up. I don't think we don't hold it again, eh? Even if Solana is up, so the portfolio is sitting up once again. You guys can see. Let me refresh it again. Let me refresh. Let's see. Portfolio. Why is it not refreshing? Okay, it's refreshing. So, guys, you guys can see. So, at least, let's say how much profit. At least $600, $500, $500 in 3 days. No trading, just investing. Okay. So, I always tell you guys, 10 Solana. I will be picking up what? What I will I be buying? I'll be picking up more NFTs. Let's see. Let's go and make offer for NFTs. No, I need to get Solana. Okay, I have Solana here. Let's go and make offer for Magic Eden. Let's see. Magic Eden. So what's the time? Okay, before 1 hour. So we are still between 40 something minutes. You guys can see. Boom. So let's go and pick up some more NFTs. More NFTs. Guys, share the stream. Share the stream. Share the stream. Click on share the stream. So let's kick off. Let's pick up some more NFTs. 111 NFT. 211. Let's make more offer. Let's try pick up some more NFTs. Midterms. I tell you guys, this is one of the strategy. Buy when the market is down and sell when the market is up. So I want to make offer for these NFTs. Bear drop point. So guys, I want to share something with you guys. This is how it works. Inside that information, yeah. Let me see again. I want to check. You guys can see. The platform token is coming up more stronger than before. It's like we saw the between, the down points. It's pumping again, man. Now a lot of people are buying because maybe before now. Let me see if it is now listed on exchange, BYBIT exchange. Let's look if it's on BYBIT again. Let's see if it's on BYBIT. If it's now on BYBIT, should have been listed on BYBIT by now. Should we buy back? You guys should let me know. It sounds crazy. Ah, pump. Let me see. It should have been on BYBIT by now. It's not on BYBIT yet. Pump. It's not on BYBIT yet. Okay, it's here. It's here. It's here. They just listed it on BYBIT. You guys can see. It's not on BYBIT. You guys can see it here. Let me bring out the chart this way. Okay, let's do it like this. You guys can see. It listed on BYBIT about okay, since then. Since when BYBIT launched the 2K. Wow. If I was opportunity to sell here, at least it will be better. Let's look. Even went up high to 0.06. So guys, let's make offer. Let's make offer. The platform took is now on BYBIT. You can also buy on BYBIT as well. So let's make offer for NFTs. I want to make offer. Collection offer. Let's make offer. You guys can see here. Before then, I want to explain to you guys how it works, guys. Let me explain to you guys how this. Okay, this is a beer drop NFT. So I'm not trying to tell you guys to pick up this NFT, but what I'm trying to tell you guys is that, like for example, this NFT, those NFTs are down. So a year ago, those NFTs were selling between about 40 to 50 Solana per just NFT. But now this NFT is trading between the floor price is 0.673 Solana, which is less than 1 Solana. But the instant sell is, if you want to sell right now, let's say, you can just click on the accept offer. So as you guys can see, the instant sell right now is that, guys, if you have any question, drop your question on the chat. For sure, we'll be doing Q&A. If you have any question, drop your question on the chat. We'll be doing Q&A. I can see the chat booming, I'm here every single day to keep encouraging you guys to DCA, and hold for a long time. So what I do here is for me to encourage you guys to DCA, buy and hold for a long time and take profit. So let's say, for example, this NFT, this is beer drop. So picking up today, buying it today, less than 1 Solana. Tomorrow, let's say it's back up to 10 Solana. You'll be able to flip it for another 10s. It's one of the best strategies. So like now, we want to make offer. So I click on the offer. So I'm not the owner of the NFT, so I just want to make offer. Making offer. How many do I want to buy? Let's say I want to pick up 4 of this NFT. Or let's pick up 3 again. 3 of the NFT. How much? So one month expiring the offer. So I want to be picking it up for between 0.6 Solana, 0.6 Solana, 0.6 so 0.6, so it will cost me 1.8 Solana. I click on accept. So I have to confirm it from my wallet. Confirm transaction. Boom. Now as you guys can see here, I am the top offer. I make offer tiering, for tiering. So anybody who come here just now, he want to sell his NFT, all you just need to do is to click on the accept offer. I will receive the NFT directly from my wallet. The person will receive his cash. He will receive his Solana. That is because I need the NFT. He needs cash. I don't need the cash. I don't need the Solana. So he need the Solana, but I don't need the Solana. He need the cash. I don't need the cash. So I need his NFT. So he will give me the NFT. And I will take the NFT. He will take everything is transaction that we process by online transaction instantly. So that is how it works. So I just make offer, as you guys can see. So if you click on my offer just now, you will still find out that those are NFTs which I make offer for. So that is the same NFT here. You can see I now own 7 of it. If you click on that particular NFT, let's see, beer drop. If you click on beer drop, you can see it here. I own the item. I own 7 of it. My item, I own 7 of that particular NFTs. So guys, NFTs are not dead. NFTs are here to stay. So if you guys need NFTs, so I'll be doing a giveaway the next few. Let's say now we already click 1,000 subscribers. Today is 14th. Okay, let's put it on month end. So month end, I will be doing a giveaway from you guys from the money which I made today. And if you guys need NFT, you guys should let me know. So either I will be giving NFT to you guys, or I will be giving the US dollar to you guys. So I'll be doing an NFT giveaway from this Loyal Kicks NFT, which I own. You guys can see it here. 22 items. So if you guys prefer the NFTs, I will do NFT giveaway. If you guys prefer the USDT, I will do USDT giveaway. Yeah, Magic Eden. Here is Magic Eden where you can trade the Solana NFTs for now. So guys, let's Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. Let's do Q&A. Bitcoin is still sitting strong above $120,000. So which is huge. Automatically, guys, if you guys are my portfolio, if you click on my portfolio right now, let's see. I want to show you guys this. My portfolio, you will find out that I'm not holding up to. Let me refresh it. If I refresh it right now, you guys will find out that I'm not holding up to it. Okay, yeah, I still hold up to that this thing, but you will find out that Magic Eden is now holding. I now hold about $296 on Magic Eden, which is the money which I used to make offer just now. This is the offer. So the personal portfolio is now holding 1,500, 530. So Magic Eden is now holding 296, which is the NFT offer, which I just made. That is how it works. So guys, always tune in every single day. We'll be discussing Bitcoin and crypto. Here, all we do, we are community, so we have to grow together to make money in crypto in order for us to achieve a financial freedom. You must not trade. So all you need to do is to invest, just like as I show you guys just now. You invest. When you're in profit, you take profit. It's one of the best strategy to accumulate wealth to be financially free. So guys, let's do Q&A, question and answer. So we're already going up to an hour, man. So let's quickly run through the Q&A. Yeah, guys, I see the amazing comment from you guys, man. You guys are amazing. You guys are smart and intelligent. For sure, with Bitcoin and crypto, we will achieve a financial freedom together. Let's Q&A. Wow, I see the amazing comments from you guys. You all know I can't call all the names, but thank you guys all for the amazing comment. Let's discuss. Let's do Q&A question. A quick Q&A. Yeah, greetings, guys. Matthew, Favor, Miraculous, guys. I just called the top guys, so you all know I can't call you guys all. So Kingdom, Kamal, Josephine, Rebel, so Gaia, Miracle, Ross, so Gaius. So thank you guys all. Thank you guys. Treka, Chukwemeka, Zaza. I see you guys all. I see you guys all. Thank you guys. So let me try and answer the question. So before we go. Greeting you all, guys. Greeting you all. Greeting you all. Greeting you all. Yeah, happy Monday, and we have a good volume. Bitcoin is recovering back up once again, trading above $120,000. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Somebody was wishing me good luck for 5S, Abby. We did not make 5S. Let's look at the two keywords again. Let me see. I want to see how much in. Yeah, now it's consolidating between $1.2 billion market cap, having a liquidity of about 3.1 million. Not bad. But they will be doing an airdrop in the next few days. So if you have been using Pop Fund to buy and trade token, you will be receiving an airdrop from them as well, guys. You'll be receiving airdrop in the next few days. So they will be doing an airdrop as well. So everyone who have been using the platform, I think they will be giving out about 130 something million dollars for airdrop. You have been taking SRP for 5 years now. Wow. That is huge. SRP click, another, let's set all-time high now, which is $3, above $3. But the previous all-time high was about $1.48, $3.48. So, it's on his way to all-time high. Ricardo, congratulations. Staking SRP for 3 years. Wow. 5 years. I sold my 50. That was 2022. I swapped into some Solana. I swapped some to, some other token back then. That was what happened. I swapped mine to some other tokens. So guys, if you are watching me from Kick, I see most people are watching from Kick and Twitter. So guys, if you are watching me from Kick, Twitch. So try to make sure you're also following me on YouTube. It's very, very important. And I swear, follow me on Kick. Try to make sure that you subscribe to my Kick channel. It's very, very important because I think we have to get to 10 subscribers on Kick, for 10 subscribers on Kick, so for us to be fully verified. So thank you guys. Oh, thank you guys. A lot of people was bashing Ethereum. Tracker, you guys was here. I keep telling you guys that Ethereum is coming back strong. Even if Favor was asking, oh, what about Ethereum? I say, oh, don't sleep on Ethereum as well. Most of the NFTs are trading on Ethereum and Solana. 99% of the meme coin as of today are trading on Solana. If Solana deep down, you have to take it as an opportunity to accumulate more Solana as well. So don't sleep on Ethereum as Solana. So they are good to behold. Despite this NFT are down now, that does not mean that NFTs are not coming back. Don't forget that Boy Ape Club, Crypto Pop, they are still on Ethereum as well. The truth, Tracker, what you need to know is that you said that we can never know, like the Tuki, which will come back up. Okay, Ethereum now is above $3,000, just like as I was saying, yeah. But when that's why you invest in those Tuki that you know that they have usage. Like, as you guys are saying, Ethereum is a protocol that have a lot of usage. Solana as well is a protocol that have a lot of usage. Sui as well, I was telling you guys a few days ago, it has a lot of usage. XRP now as well, as you guys can see, so they are taking a huge move for crypto payment. So we show that, and it's also America cryptocurrency, America based. So followed by this one as well, Chainlink. So all those cryptocurrency, you can see that this day they are taking a huge move. If you look at the performance over the past several days, trackers you are asking, you can see Ethereum over the past several days, Ethereum is now up with about 29%. XRP 27, almost about 28%. This is huge. So even if Solana, which is slightly down because a lot of people swap their Solana to this Platform 2K, which is now finally launched today, you can see that Solana is almost up with about 10%, 9.4%. Dogecoin, ADA is up 27% as well. Hype liquidity is now trading almost back up to $50. Hype liquidity is now trading 21.8%. That is huge. As Stellar is up almost 100%. So, guys, most of the altcoins are up double digit. Stellar is up 83% in the past 7 days. Wow. Sui, 35%. I'll be telling you guys, don't sleep on Sui as well. You guys can see. Most of the altcoins are coming back up huge. You guys can see. This is huge, man. Guys, so this is huge. That is one of the ways, DCA, the fear and greed leaders here, the CMC. I show you guys on DC just now, BYBIT. The fear and greed leaders on BYBIT just now show that the sentiment of the market just now show that let's quickly see 70-something% on market sentiment overview. You guys can see it here, 74%. The grid, the sentiment, the market sentiment. So it's showing here. So guys, if you are just coming, I show you guys just now, try to make sure you sign up with the link in the description in order for you to get up to $1,000 signing up as a newcomer on BYBIT. When you use the link in the description below. BTC flipping other assets soon. Yeah, for sure, Favor. So BTC sitting as the fifth largest asset. BTC sitting as the fifth largest asset as of now. For sure, it will be clicking. It will be flipping gold at least next cycle. Minimum, maybe I think maximum next cycle. So which to take Bitcoin to 22 trillion market cap, Bitcoin will be trading $1 million per coin next cycle. Yeah, favor. Okay, that question is from Miraculous. Miraculous. The whole market cap should have started from at least the evaluation should be 4 billion, not 4 trillion. Okay, what are you saying? Let me recheck the question again. That means the whole market cap will be getting a 4 trillion. 4 trillion. You mean the pop fund? The portfolio token, at least the evaluation should be 4 billion, not 4 trillion. But now it's sitting with a 1 billion market cap. That means the Wall Street, the big boys who buy early, just like that day, which I bought some. So those people are taking profit. They are going out from the market because now the airdrop they will be doing airdrop in the next few days. And all those people which they will be giving free money, free token. You guys know that they will be selling. If, for example, they give me some airdrop as well, I'll have to sell because, we need some cash to buy some good token, not this thing. So that is what I think will happen there. Miraculous. Guys, for those of you guys who are, my main purpose here is for me to, for us to invest. For those of you guys who are asking, okay, so what I'm doing here every single day, I tune in every single day to encourage you guys, for you guys to DCA dollar cost average, for you guys to invest, for we to invest, to make sure that, buy when the market is down and take profit when the market is up. That is because I know that is one of the best strategy for we to achieve a financial freedom. DCA dollar cost average, try to encourage you guys to DCA, not a financial advice, but this is what I've been doing over the past few years. DCA, buy when the market is down, take profit when the market is up, in order for us to achieve a financial freedom. Because I know it's one of the ways to achieve a financial freedom. For most of you guys who are watching me from S, watching me from Kick, make sure you're also following me on the YouTube channel. Thank you, guys. Michael was unbelievable during COVID. Yeah, Michael Saylor, even if Michael Saylor as well, it was once an unbeliever of crypto. But now he's now holding $31 billion in unrealized PNL. So they are saying his company is now sitting with a 31 billion profit. Even if the president as well, I showed you guys just now, President Trump. I remember a few years ago, President Trump, he made a tweet that, he's not a believer of, he's not a fan of Bitcoin, he's not a believer of Bitcoin. Now he created a US strategic reserve in Bitcoin. He created his own meme coin. So that is because back then he did not understand Bitcoin. Don't forget, less than 1% of the world population still don't know about Bitcoin. And Bitcoin still is just 21 million that will ever be in existence. And we already have a 58 million millionaires on this planet. If each millionaire today say you want to get one Bitcoin, they can't even get one Bitcoin. So that is how scarce this asset is. So I'm not a Bitcoin master. I believe in crypto. I believe in meme coin as well. But you all know once Bitcoin start moving, every other altcoin will follow. Yeah, guys, we are doing Q&A. Thank you, guys. I see the amazing comment from you guys. The compliment. Last bull market was 64,000 favor, not 68K. Yeah, but I totally understand, Sha. You just slightly missed it. Last cycle, 64K was the all-time high. So last cycle, 64K. Let's quickly see. Let me see if I can bring it out with a 4 hours chart here. 20. Last cycle, 68K. I can't even believe that. Yeah, 69,000. You are right, favor. Almost 69,000, 68K something. Yeah. You are 100% right. You are 100% right, favor. Almost 69,000 life cycle. Almost 69,000. Between 69,000, 400. We was almost back up to 70,000. Yeah, last cycle. You are 100% right, Favor. Yeah. Thank you for that. Now I was not thinking that it was 64K. No. So it was this thing. It was the upper year, the last two cycle. I think it was the last two cycle when we was trading up to when we trade last two cycle, even in last two cycle, all time high was about when? So at first we hit 64,000. So from 64,000 when we will come back up again, yeah. At first 64,000, you can see it here. Let me see if I can. Okay. At first between 64,000. So we did back down slightly, and when it was up again, that was when we head up to that 69,000, which is 68,000 something. You are 100% right. Okay. So let's go. Favor, I get that now. 68K last boom cycle. People thought we will still be going up. Yeah, Favor, that is what happened then, which is why I keep saying every single day. Taking profit is very, very important. Always take profit when you are in profit. A day like today, Bitcoin is still trading between $120,000. Let's say you buy Bitcoin at 20,000 when Bitcoin was trading 20,000. When Bitcoin was trading $60,000, 2022. When Bitcoin was trading $70,000. Taking 50% out today is a good, it's a good move. It's never a good time to take profit. If Bitcoin dip down to at least, which I don't think will dip down to below $40,000, let's say, because we now have the Wall Street here. Even if Bitcoin dip down to $50,000, you will be able to accumulate more Bitcoin and crypto. Favor, it's a smart move. It's a smart move to always take profit. So we should not always think that the market will be going up forever. Now, truth you talk, my man. No, the point is not tracker. The point is not for trading, tracker. The point of which is the buy Bitcoin, they are not for trader. It's just for spending. Let's say now, like today, you guys see what happened is that let me see my assets. Okay, like today, I have something to buy. I deposit $1,000. If you guys can see it here, let me zoom. So this is the BYBIT app. I deposit $1,000 and spend it. So guess what? So when you spend, so they will give you 2% cash back. So as you guys can see it here. So the overview, let me see if I can show you guys here. When you spend funding, this is how it works. The card spending power, you guys can see it here. So yeah, the point is from a 2% cash back. So the 2% cash back. So when you spend, that is how you get the point. The point now, as about you guys can see, is about 26,652 points, which is what about $79. 79 euro, not dollars, because I reside in Europe. So 79 euro. If I want to convert it, if I want to spend it, even if the point. So you can keep accumulating them till up to like $1,000. You can even get a smartphone like an iPhone for discount from them as well. So based on I'm on live, guys, I don't want to click so much. You guys know that. So when you click so much, there are people working so hard to take your money away from you. Don't always keep so much cash on centralized exchange, as I always tell you guys. So you guys can see, I preach what I do. So when I want to spend, keep your money sometimes, if possible, cold wallet, decentralized exchange, phantom wallets, all those wallets, treasure or ledger or trust wallet as well. It's very, very important. Yeah, favor. America is in huge debt, and one of the way for them to go out from that debt is to make sure they accumulate Bitcoin now. According to Senator Siti Alumis, he said that they will be buying 1 million Bitcoin, so which will cost them about 300 between as of now. Back then when they made the calculation, it will cost them between about 300 and something billion. But now that the Bitcoin is trading between $120,000, it make you cost them let's say almost about $500 billion, $500 billion, if as of now. So that when Bitcoin is up huge, so they will be able to sell some Bitcoin to be able to pay off this debt. Favor, that is, I think that as well. I think so. I think so. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for the agree. I see the smart, thank you guys. It's a smart move. You thought it would be higher than Trump. A lot of people don't believe on the two kingdom. Let's see again. Let's see the chart. It's still sitting with, it's still sitting with how much? 1.15 billion. One thing is that the insider already sold so much. You guys can see the top traders here. They sold 1 million, sold 800, no, 983,000, $912,000. They sold a huge amount. You guys can see. The insider was selling. 30,000, 60,000, 100,000, 100,000, 400,000, 600,000. So the people dumped so much. So you can see the last series sale was about 912,000, 983,000, $1 million. They are making money from it, man. They make money from it. So it was not like a Trump token. Also, me as well, I think it will be like a Trump coin. The best strategy was to buy that pre-sale, which I buy the other day. But there was no opportunity to buy much because it sold out between 12 minutes, which is crazy, but that is how it is. It's not crazy, but that is how it is. I did not even see the Raven. Raven, now which I noticed when you say pop as launch, I will have been able to dive in and swap my own instantly because I will have at least make some good cash more than that. You guys prefer USDT, Abi? Okay. We do this thing which is a pool at the end of the month. Now we are between the next few days, so at least I will do the giveaway for you guys. I will be sending you guys who always tune in, who always share the stream. So for sure, consider yourself winning. You guys know that. So I stick to my word. Always DCA hold for a long term. So it's one of the best strategy. Sailor, you guys can see Michael Sailor is sitting with a huge amount of profit. We hope my trade will get front run. Abi, no, we always try to protect at least our trade. Seliki was saying that you tell me that we run out of profit. I I go in early. I buy early, I sell early. That is one of the way. Buy when the market is down, and take profit. Like for example, that pop front token, I have 0 worth of it now. Even if it dump, I don't care. So I already at least with about 500. I'm not rushing with to trade with a high this level, but at least $500 gain for the days is not bad. $500 in 3 days investment is not bad. Imagine if I have the opportunity to buy if I have the opportunity to buy at least $10,000 worth of it. A day like today, we'll be going home with how much? We'll be going home with almost about $4,000, $4,000 to $5,000 in profit. That is huge. That is huge. Yeah, if the Tuki deep down, if the Tuki deep down, even me myself, I will buy back. I'll be able to buy some back if the Tuki deep down. If the token is down, I can even short it. Let's say, for example, if it come back to all-time high, it's a good time to short it. Is to just to connect your wallet to have liquidity, you short the market with maybe 2-3x. As I always say, don't trade with high leverage, guys. It's one of the way to make to turn $1,000 to $10,000. It's also one of the way to quick easily lose your money. Yeah, Chidela, that is one of the ways. So I buy in a lower price, I sell in a higher price because that first day, which is the pre sell during the ICO, so they sold there at 0.004. So as of now, it's now trading between 0. As of now, let's see, it's now trading between. Let's look at the token price. It's now trading with 0.0055. So you can do the calculation, which show that even if as of now, it's still sitting with about almost about 20 to 30% in profit. That is one of the way. Buy where the market is low, sell where the market is high. So that is how it works. Telegram channel, Abby. I will try and get that so that you guys who always say so that I will be posting some link for you guys so that if you guys want to some of those token during pre-launch, so you guys will be able to buy. Follow me on S as well, aka Twitter. It's one of the way for me to be. I make tweets there, so as well. So I will try and create it so that I will be able to be posting for you guys to be able to at least for you guys to be able to buy all those token for pre-launch. I will do that. As influencers are crowned, sometimes it's one of the best, one of the worst way for you to invest in crypto is through S, because S, which is Twitter, most of the time, the tweet there is out crazy. So it's better for you not to follow all those people. Guys, most of the meme coin is not a good time to buy meme coin right now. But like for example, this one, I always tell you guys, pre-sell like this pop fund token, buying it early. I tell you guys the other day, before it launch, I tell you guys I will be buying. So I will tell you guys where to buy, how to, how to buy, so how to get in early and get out early. Like today, we get out early. Even if it drop, you do not care. So you already make at least so what to like up to like a 50% profit, 40-50% profit, you go out from it. 100% favor dollar cost average. NFTs will come back again. Tracker NFT will be upwards again. So because guys, we already take so much time today, man. NFTs will be back up again. NFTs are down right now, just like the way crypto was down a few months ago. Abi? Yeah, no, not the whole crypto market cap that took over Amazon. Just Bitcoin market cap that took over Amazon. Miraculous. It's just Bitcoin market cap. You guys can see it here because it's just Bitcoin market cap that took over Amazon. Let me bring it. Let me see if I can show you guys here. Okay, this is it here. You can see because Bitcoin market cap of today is between about 2.3 trillion market cap. So you can see it here that Amazon market cap is between 2.38 market trillion market cap. When Bitcoin market cap now is between 2.4 trillion market cap, you can get it. So this is how Bitcoin surpassed Amazon by market cap, not the crypto market cap, but Bitcoin market cap. So Open also have a cashback, Abi. I don't know about that. Guys, you guys are amazing. So always tune in every single day. I try my best to always answer all the questions. So tomorrow I'll be seeing you guys again. So today is Monday. I'll be seeing you guys again tomorrow. Always don't forget, put it in back of your mind. You guys are smart and intelligent. With Bitcoin and crypto, we will all achieve a financial freedom together. Charisco is out. I'll see you all tomorrow, guys. Charisco is out. So smash the like, share this room with your friends and family. Let them know about Bitcoin and crypto.